to King's Dominion.
Welcome to Sounds of the Nativity. I'm Ella.
I'm Jesse.
I'm Nikia.
And I'm Dean.
Merry Christmas.
Happy holidays.
Season's greetings.
Have you heard the good news?
Joy to the world, the Lord is come. Let earth receive our King. Let every heart prepare Him room, and heaven and nature sing, and heaven and nature sing, and heaven and nature sing. Joy to the world, the Savior reigns. Let all their songs employ. O'er fields and floods, rocks, hills and plains, repeat the sounding joy. Repeat the sounding joy. Repeat, repeat the sounding joy. Joy, unspeakable joy, in river flowing well, no tongue can tell. Joy, unspeakable joy, it rises in my soul, never lets me go. He rules the world with truth and grace, and makes the nations rule. The glories of His righteousness, and wonders of His love, and wonders of His love, and wonders, wonders of His love. Repeat the sounding joy. Repeat the sounding joy. Repeat, repeat the sounding joy. But the angel said unto them, Fear not, for behold, I bring you good tidings of great joy, which shall be to all people. For unto you, born this day in the city of David, is a Savior, Christ the Lord.
Said the night wind to the little lamb, do you see what I see? Way up in the sky, little lamb, do you see what I see? A star, dancing in the night with a tail as big as a
people everywhere. Listen to what I say. A child sleeping in the night, he will bring us goodness and light.
He will bring us goodness and light. He will bring us goodness and
So it was while they were there, Mary was ready to give birth. She brought forth a son, wrapped him in swaddled clothes, then laid him in a manger, for there was no room for them in the inn.
Mary, did you know that your baby boy would one day walk on water? Mary, did you know that your baby boy would save our sons and daughters? Did you know that your baby boy has come to make you new? And this child that you delivered would soon deliver you. Mary, did you know that your baby boy would give sight to a blind man? Mary, did you know that your baby boy would calm the storm with his hand? Did you know that your baby boy has walked where angels run? When you kiss your little baby, you kiss the face of God. Oh, Mary, did you know?
Mary, did you
The blind will see, the deaf will hear, the dead will live again. The lame will leap, the dumb will speak, the praises of the Lamb. Mary, did you know that your baby boy was the Lord of all creation? Mary, did you know that your baby boy would one day rule the nations? Did you know that your baby boy was heaven's perfect lamb? And the sleeping child you're holding is the great I am. Oh, Mary, did you know? For unto us a child is born, for unto us a son is given, and we shall call him Wonderful Counselor,
mighty God,
Everlasting Father,
The Prince of Peace.
Jesus, Jesus, oh, what a wonderful child. Jesus, Jesus, so lowly, meek and mild. New life, new hope, new joy he brings. Won't you listen to the angels sing? Glory, glory, glory to the newborn King. Somebody say, Jesus, 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 what a wonderful child, what a wonderful child. Call his name, Jesus, Jesus. Then Joseph was his earthly father. 3 wise men came from afar, guided by a shining star, to see Jesus where he lay in a manger full of hay. Oh, Jesus, Jesus, what a wonderful child. Somebody call his name, Jesus, Jesus, so lonely, meek and mild. You never, won't you listen? Angels sing, glory, 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 glory to the newborn King. Come on, y'all. Go tell it on the mountain, over the hills and everywhere. Go tell it on the mountain that Jesus Christ is born. Go tell it on the mountain, over the hills and everywhere. Go tell it on the mountain that Jesus Christ is born. New life, new hope, new joy he brings. Won't you listen? Angels sing, let's sing glory, 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 glory to the newborn King. Somebody say glory, 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 glory to the newborn King.
Thank you for coming to the Sounds of the Nativity.
Come back in 1 hour. We have a whole nother set right here. It's on the Nativity. Enjoy the rest of your Winterfest. Hope to see you soon. Bye.
Okay, go.